There are many applications to edit your pics or your thumbnails, but I recommended to use Canva. Canva having more than 50,000 templates. Today I am going to show you how to edit YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, there are many templates regarding to YouTube thumbnails. Just tap on read mode. You can see there are different types of thumbnails. You can tap anyone and you can edit your own style. But for my way, I am going to choose yes this one. This one is better for me. So once it loads, just tap on images and click to replace. Now you can choose upload your images from gallery, or in Canva there is one more option is called as Canva suggests many images for free and for pro version. Now I am going to search YouTube because I am going to create a thumbnail for YouTube. I am going to choose one of images from this. There are many pro version as well as free version. In below there are many are pro version. You can also buy a package of monthly to unlock a pro version. Now just for a video I am going to show you in the free version. Okay, in this I'm going to choose this last one. I hope it's better for you too. Now I'm going to flip this image to horizontally. You will get all options below to change a font, to flip, to crop, or to any edit. You can get the options below. Now I have flipped the images to in background. Now just tap on font and click to edit your font. You can change your font and you can change your font style, font size. You can edit anything from by using Canva. Canva is one of the best applications to edit your images, videos, anything, all in one application. How to edit thumbnail for YouTube? Yes, now it's fine using Canva. This is my keyword for my next video. I mean this video. I'm going to creating a YouTube thumbnail for my this video, as you can see before while tapping on this video. Now it's fine. You can easily change your font. You can easily change font style, anything. Okay, as you can see there is a effective positions, colors, text sizes, all in one. As you can see here, there are different types of effects. Many are searching for YouTube and how to create a YouTube thumbnail, how to create a logo for YouTube, how to create an Instagram post, and how to create a Instagram stories. And they are finding different videos and different apps. If you are using many apps, it is too difficult for you. So it's better to use a Canva. Canva having over 50,000 templates and all in one editor app. Canva is the best application for editing. In this you can change everything. They are already built and template. It makes easier to the users who are going to use this Canva applications. So I recommended you to download Canva application from Play Store. It is also available in Windows. You can also visit canva.com. It's an official site to edit your videos, images, anything, etc. You can also replace any images. You can also keep a logo of your YouTube channel or any watermark for your videos or images. Smart Assist. Thank you for watching, guys. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and never miss any other update. Once the image has been ready to use, just download it and use it in your social media.